This is a completely free course for you to show you how to build breakout trading strategies that do work. So let me show you right now.
All you need are breakouts, set your spirit free.
Happy weekend, everyone, and I prepared something for you to get you started or keep you going during the weekend and next week, and that thing is a completely free course which you can get or access completely for free on the link below this video. Okay, link below this video. So scroll down, there's a link below this video, and you're going to learn how I created almost 2,500 trading strategies. That's true, almost 2,500 viable breakout trading strategy using the formula I'm going to share with you in this completely free course. This course is online trading course. You will have multiple videos. You have trading strategy codes included. You will learn about years of consistent profits, why we're giving this profitable strategy away, profitable market and time frame, the trading model and full code, the extra secret sauce you need to know to succeed, the ultimate winning trading model, and the recent model update. As you can see, a lot of guys are already going through this course and being very happy. So again, it's completely free course on how to start creating breakout trading strategies that do actually work. So click on the link below, download it, and happy weekend, everyone.
All you need are breakouts.